All right, let's get into some algebra skills. I'm not going to get into why things work so much as how do we do these. One thing to think about as we go is opposite operations. If I'm looking at multiplication, the opposite operation to that is division. If I'm thinking about addition, the opposite operation of that is subtraction. Okay, so keep this in mind as we go. So our first type of expression is this one step. We literally have to do one thing and we should get our answer. In these, where we have addition, the opposite operation to addition is subtraction. So when I bring this over, it was a plus on the left, it becomes a -4 on the right. And I get 7 minus 4 is 3. If I have subtraction, I want to bring it to the other side, that subtraction becomes, you got it, addition. So we've got x equals 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Looking at our next one, we've got 4x, which is like a little multiplication there. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So to bring that 4 to the other side, I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and that gives me 2. Looking at this one, we've got this 9. We want to bring it to the other side. The opposite operation of division is multiplication. So we get x equals 2 times 9, giving us 18. So always keep this opposite operation thing in mind as we go. Moving on to two-step algebra. Here we need to do this sequentially. I like to start with the term without the x. So I'm going to bring this -5 to the other side. It becomes a +5 on the other. Update that to 15. And now we've got a one-step problem. We got multiplication. Opposite operation is division, so we divide both sides by 3, giving us 15 over 3, which is 5. Now moving on to the other one here. You need to be careful with these guys. This one is a package deal, so we can't just bring this 7 to the other side. We first need to deal with the 2. So we're going to bring this 2 to the other side. Notice that it's divided on the other side. It's going to be multiplied. So we got 3 times 2. Update it. We get 6. Now we've got this subtraction of 7. Throw it over to the other side. We get, it was -7. Now it's +7. So we have 13. So that's your one step and two step. Move on to part 2 to get into some multi-step action.